So first of all, a little celebration. You made it to week 16. Yay! Big, huge pat on the back. Great work. I am so proud of all of you for making it to week 16. This is definitely not an easy course, and hopefully, though you have learned things and you have stretched your knowledge and stretched what you think you're capable of doing, and have just, I'm impressed. Great job. You've made it. So, moving on, what do we have for week 16? So for week 16, in the week 16 information, in the study resources, the resources are all really focused on the multiple regression. First, an overview of what it is, what we're trying to do, and then an example of how to do it in Minitab. So that's really all we're working on this week is just multiple regression. That's like the big thing. So you've got your multiple linear regression homework. So for this one, it's just kind of similar to what you've been doing. Even though it looks like a quiz, it's really your homework. You only get one attempt. Here's your data file, your data dictionary, and here's some information on the schools and the response and predictor variables. So good luck. This, though, will be a huge, huge help, especially because if you notice, it's Illinois report card. Now, granted, it's 2010 data, but it is Illinois report card data. And so it's, in theory, going to help you when you do your multiple linear regression for Project 4. So hopefully by doing this with kind of similar data, it will help get you thinking about how you should be doing and whether or not you understand how to do the multiple linear regression for this one. So the biggest thing I can see is just take your time, work through it, and if you have questions, please, please, please let me know. That's probably the biggest thing. So moving on, discussion 16, course goals and advice. So this one should be hopefully an easy one for you. It's just, how did you do on achieving your goals? So no need to tell me your grade, but just how did you do? Looking back, are there things you would have done differently? What do you wish you would have known going into this course? What advice would you give to someone taking Math 113 next semester? And what is the number one thing you would recommend to be successful in this course? So just some feedback. This is feedback for me as well as feedback I'm going to give the students for next semester. So it really, I value it. So thank you. I appreciate it. And then the last one is an extra credit quiz. You do not have to do this. It might initially look like it's impacting your grade, but it actually doesn't. You get one attempt. It is timed 15 minutes, so it's not like your normal one. But this is basically the same type of quiz you've done before. And it's just extra credit. If you want it, go for it. And if not, don't worry about it. But I thought I would put it out there for you guys. So that's it for week 16. I'm not going to do a video for the final exam week, so I guess I'll just go ahead and talk about final exam week really quick as well. So this last discussion is just share your findings from Project 4. The purpose of this discussion is just to share the results of Project 4 with your classmates. Just provide a brief 1 to 2 paragraph summary of what you found for Project 4. So it shouldn't be too bad. And it goes right along with the Project 4 final project. So here's all the information you need for the final project. In all honesty, by the time you get to this point, you will have to do the title page and abstract. You'll already have the introduction and methods, just make corrections. You'll already have the simple linear regression. You'll already have the multiple linear regression. You'll have to do the conclusion, then make sure your reference is appendix. So by the time you get to this point, it's really just cleaning things up and putting it all together. So I hope this was valuable. I hope this helps. And since this is the last one I'm doing, thanks for being my students. It's been a good semester.